After waiting up to 5 years and more, the new version of Windows is finally here, and from the look of things, Microsoft is winning the hearts of many. Although it's too early to tell if it's trash or not, but I have a good feeling. Let's jump right into the things we can notice from the intro video that was released officially by Microsoft. The very first thing we see is the taskbar, and there's a lot going on down there. First, the default location of all the apps on the taskbar aren't positioned on the left anymore. It's now positioned at the center. And honestly, it looks like a really small redesign, but it's actually very significant. I don't know about you, but centering the icons always made more sense to me. The start bar. That's basically what we are all interested in. It's been the judging pillar of every Windows redesign from Windows XP to Vista to 7 to 10, and now we are at 11. We can see the buttons are small and they look very kind of glassy, kind of like Windows Vista, the trash Windows of all time. But calm down, calm down. We haven't actually used Windows 11 yet. We can't judge it by just an intro video. Unlike Windows 10, there isn't too much use of widgets and blocky kind of design. It's all just small, unique, attractive buttons. I don't know if there's still going to be widget based on your activity and your mm, recently used apps. At least we know by default there isn't kind of moving annoying widgets all over the place. Create, connect, play. The Windows tagline for its newest operating systems, and there's a lot of things redefined in this new operating system. The settings UI, the search, and themes. There's a lot of themes now introduced in Windows 11. We can literally switch from the default to something more attractive without any third-party software and all that. By default, we get up to 5 or 6 themes that we can switch up and make use of. And here is something I've always wanted too. The best feature I personally have always wanted, and I know all my developers viewers out there can relate. The new multitasking feature that literally allows you to divide and share your screen to accommodate more apps, not just two, but three or even more. This can come in anywhere multitasking, doing a lot of different things at once. You won't have to go down to the taskbar and do some annoying switch every time. So yeah, that's a win here. Microsoft has also tightly integrated Teams with its new operating system now, which means with just one click you can start chatting, video calling, and all that. Microsoft, from what I can notice, is trying so hard to push the team narrative to make it seem as if Teams can be used for something more personal, probably like WhatsApp or FaceTime. It's literally called Teams Microsoft. You see, this is the kind of monopoly people are always talking about. Microsoft literally bought Skype for billions, and they're not doing anything about it. Man, here comes the widgets I was talking about. Introducing the personalized feed, a new place where you can see all the latest news, radio information, stories that interest you with just one slide. You can see the latest. Yay, widgets. I don't know, I personally do not like widgets at all. I just feel like it's kind of looks so. I don't know. I don't know. I do not like widgets at all, but I feel like this feature is can be useful for people who wants to check out headlines very quick and like maybe on your way to work and you just want to see what's popping up and you just go on your tablets, slide left and see everything that is happening. So there's a bunch of other stuffs like attractive keyboards and improved voice recognition and commands. You can now sort and switch between tasks easily and efficiently. All that basic Windows stuff. Now let's move on to the fun stuff. The death of all emulators on Windows. Windows now allows you to run native Android apps on its new operating system, which is one of the most significant feature in this new operating system. And I can't just wait to see how we can all use this, running Android apps on an entire operating system natively with full support of the manufacturer. It's kind of weird. I always thought of emulators as something that I don't know, it doesn't seem too official for me. But now that we can actually do this officially supported by Windows and all that, I just can't wait to see how well we can all integrate these. Also, can we run Android games on it too? I'm not sure. Comment what you think down below. Now on to gaming. We have the new DirectX 12 Auto HDR for even more gaming possibilities, Xbox Game Pass of course, and a whole new world of gaming possibilities. I think we can all agree Windows is the leading operating system for gaming on PC right now. Seems Microsoft plans to keep it that way. So that is all for now. It's still too early if it's a smash or a pass. We'll have to wait until it starts rolling out on devices and people actually start testing, because there's a lot of new features embedded in there, and we'll have to be with inside your operating system to find out more. And yeah, that's about it. Subscribe, it's free, and it makes me feel loved. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.